got some of the greatest of all time on the mat right now. You got Alex, Khabib, Amanda.
Talking is gonna win. Just be quiet and go to the mats. He touched wrong leg.
That? Which leg do I need to touch? Help me. That's cheating.
Look, Alex. He tried to run like Matty. I hold his leg.
This is not gonna end well. It's heavy.
Let's go, Alex.
Don't tap, Alex. Hold on, bud.
This feels heavy.
Still, we want the win.
I can't do anything. This right here, this pressure is fucking insane.
Let me make him tired.
If you don't give him, brother, you're gonna go and do a podcast. He said, don't give me submission. Abitachot papão. Hã? Abitachot papão.
Tap, tap, tap.
Um minuto, menino. Vamos lá, um minuto. É agora, hein? Sou mais menina agora. Mais menina agora. Ó, ó.
Здесь есть меню абсолютно? I feel like a white belt.
What's your belt, bro? Black belt, right?
Yeah, black belt.
Jiu-jitsu
Okay.
or sambo?
Jiu-jitsu. Good
Don't
point.
have belt.
Good point.
Sambo don't have belt.
Yeah, master belt.
They have belt, but no belt. No belt.
They have levels.
Yeah.
They have levels, but not belts. You should get them for competing.
Yeah, I was right.
Yes.
I told him this guy is not going to try to submit you. It's going to make you suffer. He don't try to submit people. It's just drown, you drown, you drown. It's like depressing. It's like you're going to be stressed, like depression, you know? Khabib, when you give you like lightly, like pressure, and you want like claustrophobia. You're like, Like, yeah, I scream inside my brain.
John Smith, no single. First round. First round.
1.5 minutes.
No, we'll go 5.
5 minutes?
Yes. We're beginning one more. Next time I'm gonna make you one. How do you feel? Good? I shouldn't have gone with him. That's me. What, just this? No, I'm a heavy, first of all.
Amazing training partner.
No, but no injury. No injury, but the heavy.
Just heavy.
Stay heavy, stay heavy, stay heavy.